Good afternoon, Lakshay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, Lakshay?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am also fine. Good to see you after such a long time. चलो पहला मेरा question है कि CV में
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have written your objective that I want to become the branch manager of the main branch of SBI India. ठीक है? A very
Yes,
good
ma'am.
and a specific aim. ठीक है? But just
Yes, ma'am.
tell me why have you opted for this option?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
I said, why have you opted for this particular specific option? Ki I want to become this only.
Ma'am, actually, I don't want any job in private sector. I want to try my luck in government jobs only. And particularly, you can say that it's my favorite sector. At this age, I love to go to bank and do its work. There I see branch manager sitting, so I have decided in my mind to be that only, and that too main branch of India, in the main branch of
Okay,
India.
ठीक है. Any other specific reason भाई SBI का ही क्यों करना है? और भी तो भाई अगर ज्यादा अपना और बड़ा एम है तो रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भी कर सकते हैं. भाई कभी SBI में गए हो and your experience was so good that you thought कि नहीं मैं तो इसी बैंक में, ऐसा कोई रीजन?
मैम एज सच नहीं, SBI क्योंकि इसलिए किया मैम, बाकी प्राइवेट बैंक होते हैं एंड जॉब सिक्योरिटी में सबसे मोस्ट है मैम, बहुत प्रायोरिटी दी है जॉब सिक्योरिटी को, तभी मैंने इस गोल सेट किया हुआ है.
ओके लक्ष्य. अच्छा, अगेन माय क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑलमोस्ट सेम जो मैंने देवांशी को पूछा, बिकॉज योर टॉपिक इज अगेन फॉर द कोविड वन. So generally you people have described in your presentation कि GDP has gone really down because of the COVID-19, ठीक है? But is it the only reason? Because when we do comparison, we notice कि बहुत सारी ऐसी countries है जिसमें इतना बड़ा downfall नहीं हुआ है. So do you have something different to say from what Devanshi said, या फिर you think the same reason?
Ma'am, the real reason is that only that it was a sudden moment. All the work stopped suddenly and 140 million citizens lost their jobs. So clearly it have a huge impact on our GDP.
Okay, any other reason you can think of?
Ma'am, our lockdown was so strict that we were only banks and these were open. Not the other offices were closed for many time. It impacts greatly to our country's economy, ma'am, and that the third class workers, respected sweepers and laborers, all they were pushed and they were forced inside their homes. So it has a clear impact, ma'am. Nothing more.
Okay, Lakshya.
Yes,
Sir, this is it from my side.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. That was nice. That was really nice question which you have asked. Now I'd like to ask Abhilasha ma'am to continue with our questions. And Abhilasha ma'am, please carry forward with your questions to Lakshay Chaudhary.
Hi, Lakshay.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, I have gone through your CV. You have written about MotoGP. So you are like quite interested. अभी तो चल रहा था, I think MotoGP चल रहा था, क्या चल रहा था? So which is your favorite team? Which is your favorite?
I wanted to race in that.
Yeah, yes, I'm audible. You are audible, yes.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to be a track racer, and to be in MotoGP is a very great thing. But first, we should have experience of track racing. Then we are going to admit ourselves in MotoGP racing team.
Yeah. So what makes you to choose this field, or like thinking about this kind of dream? Like no one in India is, I think, a racer, MotoGP racer.
And there are many, but they are not in spotlight. Actually, this is the main reason.
Okay.
And why I opted this? I opted this because since my childhood, I love bikes and cars.
Okay.
And I have started bike riding from last 2 to 3 years, and now I have a huge and great interest in bikes. And I am practicing some track skills too. So that's why. And to be a racer will be the best satisfaction for my life.
Okay. You wanted to become a SBI branch manager, main branch
Yes,
manager,
ma'am.
and you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
like his only duty is to be sitting there in the chair? और कोई job नहीं होता उसका? You said to Neeru
Ma'am, can you
ma'am,
repeat, please?
yeah, sure. You said to Neeru ma'am that the main branch manager or something, he only sit there in the chair and that's like. तो क्या उनका मेन काम खाली बैठना ही होता है? कुछ काम नहीं करते वो?
हम काम भी करते हैं, बहुत प्रेशर होता है उनको 10 to 5 के बीच में ही। लगता है कि टाइम बड़ा शॉर्ट है, बट बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है उन पे भी काम का। बट मैम ब्रांच मैनेजर इसीलिए ऑप्ट किया ताकि क्योंकि उनके पास पैकेजेस एंड ऑल, आई मीन रिलेटेड टू सैलरी एंड ऑल बहुत सही होता है उनके पास। मेरे को मेरी ट्रैक बाइक खुद के पैसे से ही खरीदनी है, तो 10 to 5 के बाद बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है मेरे MotoGP कैरियर में आगे जाने की।
Okay.
So that's why, मैम। बाकी प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जॉब करते हैं तो रात तो 10 o'clock तक मैम ऑफिस में बैठना पड़ता है, तो तब अपने कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते।
ओके, एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। आपने अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में यू हैव सेड कि जो रेपो रेट है वो 250 बेसिस रेट से डिक्लाइन हो रही है। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल है कि करंट रेपो रेट क्या है? व्हाट इज द करंट रेपो रेट?
Ma'am, I had mentioned that till now our repo rate has been cut by 250 basis points. My voice is audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, it's 4% repo rate.
4%. Sure?
Till now.
Sure?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That's it, Vineet sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Abhilasha, ma'am. Now I'd like to ask Saroj ma'am to continue with her questions. So, Saroj ma'am, please, you can take the charge now.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Lakshya. What's going on? Is everything fine right now? Is it audible to you?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I am saying, is it audible to you? मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही तुम्हें?
Everything fine, ma'am. Everything fine.
Okay, okay. सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ तुमने कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम क्यों चूज किया है?
मैम आगे ब्रांच मैनेजर बनना है मैम।
ब्रांच मैनेजर। ओके, माय क्वेश्चन इज सेम अगेन। ब्रांच मैनेजर बनना है, चलो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है। हाउ कैन यू हेल्प योर कंट्री टू बिकम अ ब्रांच मैनेजर? कैन यू चेंज द सिस्टम or anything else to boost our economy, to boost honesty and all? Anything else you can say?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Hello?
Lakshya Chaudhary, she is audible, but most probably, I believe your earphones are not properly working. Please, अपनी आवाज थोड़ी बढ़ाओ earphones की.
Lakshya, I was just asking, how can you help your country to become a manager? Can you be able to change a system, pattern, anything?
Ma'am, system and pattern system and pattern depend upon government policies. But yes, एक वो branch manager की image होती है खड़ूस type की. That I can surely help. I have much confidence on myself.
Yeah, it's not necessary always कि policies है
Ma'am.
वही उसी पर ही depend करेगा. Policies बनती हैं follow करने के लिए. बट जिस चीज के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ, जो चेंज के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वो चेंज इंडिविजुअल पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप अपना जो काम है उसको किस तरह से करते हो. दैट मेक्स द चेंज इन सोसाइटी. और स्पेशली ये क्वेश्चन मैंने इसलिए पूछा है क्योंकि बीइंग अ मैनेजर आप सबसे पहले तो एक बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने वाले हो, क्योंकि आपको उस पूरी ब्रांच को होल्ड करना है. जो आपके एम्प्लॉयज हैं वो उसी मैनर में काम करेंगे जिस मैनर में आप करोगे, है ना. तो जब आप स्ट्रीम में, हाँ, सो बी पॉजिटिव एंड जो भी करो उसको बेस्ट मैनर में करो, ताकि जिस चीज के बारे में हम आज तक बात करते आए ना क्लासरूम में भी कई बार, अपना करियर को जिम्मेदारी आपने खुद में ली अपनी इच्छा से. जिस सेक्टर की बात हमने कई बार अपने डिस्कशंस में क्लासरूम में की है कि ये सिस्टम रॉन्ग है, ऐसे होना चाहिए, वैसे होना चाहिए. अब आप उस सिस्टम के अंदर एंटर होते हो तो देन व्हाट विल बी योर रोल टू चेंज दैट सिस्टम. दैट वाज माय क्वेश्चन ओनली.
Ma'am, first of all, I'll motivate my employees working with myself in that they work with pure honesty.
Good.
Not वो government job है तो मुफ्तखोरी वाली बात. I want to change this first of all.
Yeah.
Ma'am, main चीज यही है. And bribe system. और अगर मैम थोड़ा सा ऑनेस्टी से काम करेंगे तो ब्राइब तो कम,
सबसे पहले तो खुद, हाँ, सबसे पहले तो
थोड़ी सी रिड्यूस हो सकती है. यस मैम,
डेफिनेटली हो सकती है. आप जैसे होगे वैसे ही आपके अंडर में काम करने वाले लोग चलेंगे. तो यू हैव टू मेक अ न्यू सिस्टम इन योर ब्रांच. ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
यस मैम.
ओके सर, दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. वेलकम.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for the answer which you have, for the question which you have asked, and the way you have actually helped him understand the basics, or should I say the way he should handle the branch managing post. So Rashid Chaudhary, my just one question to you after hearing your whole presentation. The only thing which is stuck in my mind was that most probably you were influenced from somewhere, that you have chosen only the negative news to give in your presentation, that what is the situation of India after COVID-19. Because the place from where you have taken out the report, that is CMIE. All right, first of all, it is a private place. Number two, it is not having even a proper ranking in India and not even in United States of America, US. Okay, those whosoever has taken it out, I am not having any problem, though it is a rating agency, but it is not that at the top. All right, like we were talking about Fitch rating, it is one of the 3 ratings in the world. So like star hotels, 3-star hotels, 2-star hotels, it's something like that. Okay, but even then, my question is why you were so negative about India when you were talking about what is the condition after COVID-19. Why you were so negative? Because there are many positive news also about India. The biggest organizations of the world, be it World Bank, be it IMF, they are talking positive about India. But you chose to leave them aside and try to find out those agencies who are talking negative about our country. Why was that?
So since they all are talking positive, I thought that I should say all the truth facts so that we can, so we all are able to understand what our country's actual position is.
Achha, so according to you, what IMF is saying and what World Bank is saying is false, and what CMI is saying is right. Only
no sir, I'm not saying
facts.
I'm not saying
positive
that
facts
false.
are not facts.
I'm not saying that they are false, but sir,
just now you said that. Just now you said that. Just now you said that I should point the facts out. So please try to understand, in this world, you are going to become the branch manager of our, say for SBI, and you enter the place with the negative mindset. Will you be able to make that place a better place, or you are going to make it a worse place than what you are having?
No, sir. My basic objective was to, सर कि पता चले ना एक्चुअल में ये भी चीजें हो रही है हमारे साथ. IMF और वर्ल्ड बैंक तो इतने फेमस है, हर कोई उनकी रिपोर्ट्स पढ़ता है, बट बहुत रेयर चांसेस है कि लोग ये सारे फैक्ट्स पढ़े. तो सर दैट वाज माय मोटिव.
आप वाइवा में बैठे सवाल सुनने
मैं-
पड़ेंगे, इसलिए मैंने उस दिन सवाल नहीं किए थे मुझसे. आप सिर्फ एक सिंपल सा सवाल का जवाब दो, लोगों को सुनने चाहिए. आई अग्री विथ यू. कैन यू से मी जस्ट वन थिंग, CMIE जिसके डेटा को आपने रिप्रेजेंट किया, उसने वो डेटा कहां से लेकर आया और उनके पास कहां से डेटा, कितने लोगों ने उस डेटा के लिए फीडबैक दिया था?
Sir, actually, I never went to CMI, but I took it out from our governor's speech. I mentioned 2 times his name too in my presentation, and there was a separate slide.
So that
It was a governor's speech from
Who
where I took out the point.
which governor, which state's governor?
RBI Governor Mr. Shaktikant Das.
And what did he say?
Sir, he said about repo rate and accommodation. He said 2 main points which I included in my presentation. The first one was that our RBI was already in accommodative stance before the outbreak of COVID. This was the first major point, and the second major point was Mr. Shaktikant Das said that to tackle the slowdown of growth, which was visible, RBI had cut repo rate. And second main, we can say that repo rate was main point in his speech.
He had to. My point is only this, that while you are representing a presentation in front of anyone, rather than being a person who is giving his own opinion and view from a perspective, you should have taken out both sides. Either you should have taken out both sides, or you should not have just made a presentation on your own views and opinions कि ठीक है लोग इस बारे में बात करें तो चलो उल्टा बहते हैं और कुछ भी कह देते हैं, क्योंकि ये एक एजेंसी है जिसके थ्रू मेरे को रेटिंग पता चल रही है. क्योंकि क्या होता है मैं बता देता हूँ. सपोज करो आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन को कोई देखता है तो उसको इंडिया के अंदर की जो अच्छी बातें हो रही है उसके बारे में पता ही नहीं चलेगा और वो मान के बैठ जाएगा कि इंडिया में कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा. This is what is the problem. I am not for the government or against the government. I am just for India. So whenever you're talking about your own country, either give both the point of views or try to be positive. I'm sorry, I am not in the taking of the negative side. Either give both the news, positive and the negative, or try to be positive. That's what we all do in our life. All right?
Sir, but due to current scenario of news channels and all the things,
I am not talking about news channels.
all saying positive.
I am
They
not
are all
talking
saying
about news
positive
channels.
points.